What's good, Bit Rushers? It's Kyler. Today's video, we're going to be discussing the $50,000 Bitcoin mark that we've just recently hit and where I think the prices might go from here. It is nice and icy and cold outside, so I hope you guys are staying warm with your crypto gains, staying ahead of the curve here. And we're going to let you know a few things that I think are going to happen to help you guys keep making profit no matter what the price of Bitcoin does. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, let's take a look at the chart here for Bitcoin, and we can see we did recently wick above the 50,000 mark. We haven't had a full candle close above that level, so I do expect us to still continue to move up into that range, into about the $50,000 to $51,000 range right here. We could get a little box going, but basically anything above here to this line up here. And once we hit that level, it's kind of a psychological level, guys. People are going to start taking profit already in the 49 range as we start getting back up and we start moving closer to $50,000. And I just want to make sure you guys do not panic sell, okay? Potentially we could come back down. We saw recently we whipped as low as 45, and then we have our other support level here at 43,000, and we have the pre-Elon pump level back down, some of the lows here around $37,500. So we could get as low as that, guys, on a dip. If you're new to Bitcoin, if you're just purchasing the top here and you're planning on holding for a long time, your dollar cost averaging, do not panic sell. Obviously, this isn't financial advice, just letting you know that we do typically rebound off of these levels. When we see a massive growth here, as we did on the MACD, sometimes we do have to go back down and dip. We see these big dips. The last pump we had, we were up top. This was the top. We did dip down. We pumped back up again and kind of went sideways for a while before we pumped again, taking another hit and then moving back up. And then we did see that like Elon pump right here. Okay, guys, so just keep in mind, obviously I don't have a crystal ball. I can't predict the future. But I do expect some of the more seasoned Bitcoin pros to start taking profits above these levels and then buy back in down a little bit lower, as I mentioned, possibly 39,000, 40,000, maybe even a little bit lower as far down as, say, 37. And a lot of people will take their profits from Bitcoin and start pumping into other coins such as Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot, some of the lower alt caps down the range if you just look at the market cap. So while Bitcoin is moving sideways above 50,000 or back down into the high 40s, expect alt season to continue to grow. Expect DeFi, the DeFi pump to continue to grow. The big thing to think about DeFi is a lot of the DeFi projects are based on USD value, some sort of pegged asset like DAI, USDT, or USDC. And these continue to pump and move no matter what. So as people are trading in and out, when people are taking profits, these protocols continue to make money as people are trading out of the coins. And when people are buying in at the beginning of bull runs, they're also making money. So these type of DeFi projects, when we have big action and big movements, are going to do really well. So expect DeFi projects to continue to pump. And expect Bitcoin to then hit another psychological level. So once we hit 50, it's psychological level for people to take profit. It's also a psychological level for new investors to get in. People start hearing the number $50,000 and that starts piquing people's interest. You start talking about $2,000, $3,000, whatever. $50,000, okay, you got my attention. I'm interested now. So now we're going to see some of the big money, some of the institutional investors, possibly just the regular retail investors, the average Joes, people are going to start to get in. And when they hear it hit 50, and then potentially if it dips down again, and usually it does, guys, right? I mean, we can just judge by the past. That's all we can do is look at the past performance and try to predict the future based on the past, but no one can know for sure. But based on past, hitting all-time highs, we do then have big, massive dips. So if that happens again and people are hearing about $50,000 Bitcoin and their friends making a ton of money, and now we go into a little correction and people say, oh, it was just at 50,000, now it's on sale down around 37, down around 40, let me pick up a stash. So new investors will get in on these levels and old investors will come back in, right? So that's my little price prediction here, guys, on the action. Super excited. I am taking a little bit of profits around 51, possibly 52.50. I think there's still some room to go here. And as I mentioned, once we hit these levels, I think we do move either sideways for a few days, possibly a week, or correct back down before continuing to go up. Those are my two scenarios. At this level, it's going to be hard for us to continue to just, pump straight up. It is possible, so I don't want to tell you that that's impossible, because we have seen that also in the past, where without any major corrections, we kind of just have a move from like here all the way up, right? And we didn't have a major correction until about here. We came down. None of them are that big, guys, that we're seeing, but some of the ones in the past here in this range of 30,000 from obviously 42,000 was a massive, massive drop. That was 25% at the time. So if we did another 25% drop, 20% drop, guys, from 40, you're talking again a $10,000 dip, right? So possibly see us down around the $40,000 range from $50,000. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself, and make sure you always take profit. It's never a bad idea to take profit, so that's why I'm making this video. Definitely still long-term super bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Expect it to go to 200,000 before the end of the year. My price prediction, if you want to go back and watch that video, was a $180,000 Bitcoin before the end of 2021. And I think we'll easily see that, but along the way we are going to see many corrections. So again, if you're just buying in at the top, if you're just getting in on Bitcoin, hold on for dear life. HODL, that's the name of the game, not financial advice. Do whatever you want with your money. As always, do your own research, do your own due diligence, and never invest more money than you can personally afford to lose. Me, however, I am taking a little bit of profits again, guys, at that $50,000, $51,000 range, and then looking to re-enter on a correction down below 45. Moving some money into some altcoins, possibly into some DeFi protocols, and continuing to ride this wave up. So that's my plan. Again, not financial advice. You guys do what you want, but if you do want to invest in me and you like my trading style, there's several ways you can do that. I do have a fund called DeFi Brains. It's an on-chain fund run on Enzyme. I have a link for that in the description. You provide USDT at the price of the shares, and you continue to gain based on the gains I make with the investments of that fund. I also have another fund that's an investment tokenized version of this channel, and it does pay out in Ethereum quarterly. We're going to have our first payout at the end of March, early April, and so if you are holding Rush Fund at that time, a snapshot will be taken and a percentage of the gains of the Rush Fund will be paid out in Ethereum to you. I also have a Tron project, a Tron dApp that's recently launched called Tron Stacks, and essentially with that you invest your Tron and you earn up to 240%, earning about 1% on your investment each day. With unlimited investments, you can only withdraw each investment once. Link for all that stuff in the description, guys. Make sure you do smash the thumbs up. Make sure you sub to the channel. Click the bell to be notified on all future notifications. I have a whole bunch of new videos coming. Sorry I had to take a few days off. I just needed some time with my family, but we're back at it, ready to work, ready to get that coin. Hope you guys are enjoying yourself in these crypto gains again. Always remember to take profits because the crash could come any day. No one can predict it. Long term, I don't want to scare anyone. I think we're super bullish. I think we're going to the moon. We're seeing more and more investors come on every single day. We're seeing more retail come on every single day. We're seeing crypto videos in the crypto industry just absolutely exploding. We're seeing major partnerships with regular financial institutions. And super bullish on crypto and DeFi long term. However, short term, we do see 20-30% corrections along the way up to the top, guys. So that's it for today. Again, smash the thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed this one. Happy crypto. Let's get that coin.